In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories to WooCommerce menus. If you want to make it easier for customers to browse your store, adding product categories to your navigation menu is a simple and effective way to do it. This helps visitors quickly jump to the types of products they're looking for, which can improve the overall shopping experience on your site. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to Appearance and then Menus. This is the area where you can manage the navigation menus that appear on your website, including your main menu, footer menu, or any other menu locations your theme supports. Once you're on the menus page, look to the very top right corner of the screen and click on Screen Options. This section controls which menu item types are visible while you're editing your menu. If you don't currently see product categories as an option, this is where you enable them. Inside Screen Options, check the box labeled Product Categories. As soon as you do that, WordPress will make that option available in the menu editor. This is an easy setting to miss, so if you've ever wondered why product categories weren't showing up, this is usually the reason. Next, move your attention to the left-hand column of the screen and find the Product Categories tab. Go ahead and expand it. This panel lets you choose which WooCommerce categories you want to add directly into your menu. From there, click the View All tab if you want to see the full list of available categories. If you have a lot of categories and want to find a specific one quickly, you can also use the search bar to locate it faster. Both options work well, so just use whichever is more convenient for your store setup. Now select the categories you want to display in your menu by checking the boxes next to them. After that, click Add to Menu. WordPress will place those categories into the menu structure on the right side of the screen. Once they've been added, you can organize them however you like. Drag and drop the category items to reorder them, or nest them slightly underneath another item if you want to create a drop-down or sub-menu structure. This is especially helpful if you want to keep your navigation clean and organized. When everything looks the way you want, click Save Menu. That's it. Your WooCommerce product categories are now part of your site's navigation, making it easier for shoppers to explore your store.